Non-nutritive components of diet. In this video we'll talk about water, roughage and artificial sweeteners and preservatives. These are all the non-nutritive components of diet. Let's start with water. Our body consists of 60% of water in body weight. An adult needs 2 to 3 liters of water daily for the normal life. In summers, body needs more water due to sweating. The person who plays or does hard physical activity or workout also needs more water. The water which we drink should be safe, clean and hygienic. If the water in the body is reduced, then it causes serious health problems like अगर हमारी बॉडी से 1 to 5% ऑफ वाटर लॉस होता है देन इट मे रिजल्ट इन थर्स्ट. इफ़ हमारी बॉडी से 5 to 10% ऑफ वाटर लॉस होता है देन इट मे रिजल्ट इन loss of the strength and endurance. Loss of 10 to 15% of water may result in dehydration, body ache and sometimes a pain. Then loss of 15 to 20% of water results in blurred vision, loss of memory, faint. इंसान फेंट हो जाता है. Then loss of more than 20% of water may result in death. Now water plays a very important role in our lives. There are some points regarding the importance of water. Number one is regulates body temperature. So basically एक healthy body temperature होता है 37 degrees Celsius and if we see in Fahrenheit then it is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. हमारी body, our bodies adapt the temperature according to the environmental conditions. It goes up when we exercise and this temperature is regulated by a part of our brain. जिसको हम बोलते हैं hypothalamus. This hypothalamus checks our current temperature and compares that temperature with our normal body temperature. Means if our temperature is too low, हमारी body का temperature बहुत ज़्यादा कम है, then the hypothalamus makes sure that the body generates and maintains the heat. And if on the other hand our current body temperature is too high, then the heat is given off or sweat is produced to cool the skin. हमारी body से heat निकलती है, sweat produce होता है ताकि हमारी जो skin है जो गर्म हो गई है वो cool हो जाए. So this is how our body temperature is regulated with water. Next point is transportation of the nutrients. Water in our body helps to transport important nutrients through blood. If we consume water before the meal से पहले अगर हम water लेते हैं then it may hinder the digesting process. And if we consume water alongside meals के साथ लेते हैं then it may temper the natural absorption of the nutrients. And if we drink water right after the meal then it can tamper with the time it takes for our food to digest, which may result in bloating. So studies suggest करते हैं that it is essential to maintain some gap after the meals. Meals के बाद कुछ gap होना चाहिए for half an hour or for 45 minutes as this helps in the absorption of the essential nutrients. अगर हम वाटर को एक्सेस में लेते हैं, एक्सेस इनटेक ऑफ वाटर आफ्टर द मील, वो क्या करता है हमारे जितने एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो डाइजेशन के प्रोसेस में इंक्लूड होते हैं वो डाइल्यूट हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो सेक्रेशन होता है एंजाइम्स का वो बहुत कम होता है. देयर इज़ अ लेसर सेक्रेशन ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स, जिसकी वजह से क्या हो सकता है देयर मे बी हार्ट बर्न एंड एसिडिटी. एंड कभी कभार जो डाइजेस्टिव प्रोसेस हिंड्रेंस होती है हमारी डाइजेस्टिव प्रोसेस में जस्ट बिकॉज टेकिंग वाटर राइट बिफोर द मील, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है ये जो हिंडर्ड डाइजेस्टिव प्रोसेस है इट लीव्स बिहाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड इन द सिस्टम. The glucose from this undigested food converts into fat and this gets stored in our body, which may lead to upsurge of the insulin, which causes rise in the blood sugar levels and can lead to diabetes or obesity. Therefore, it is important to keep yourselves hydrated and consume a minimum of 2 liters of water every day. Next point is water eliminates body toxins. Water helps to detoxify our body. बेसिकली ये जो डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन है क्या है, इट्स अ फिजियोलॉजिकल रिमूवल ऑफ द टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस फ्रॉम अ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म विच इज़ मेनली कैरिड आउट by our liver. So water helps to eliminate body toxins and body waste through excretion of the urine and sweating. Other ways अगर हम देखें अपनी body को detoxify करने के लिए, liver को detoxify करने के लिए is having garlic लें आप. It contains एक mineral होता है उसमें जिसको हम बोलते हैं selenium that has the ability to activate liver enzymes that can help your body naturally flush out toxins. And some of the citrus fruits can also include in the diet like oranges, limes, lemons. These are all boost the liver's cleansing ability. So this detoxification helps to maintain body fluids in our body. This water helps to clean kidneys and thus their function improves. So this water helps to improve digestion and absorption. Moreover, it prevents constipation. The next point is lubrication of the joints. Lubrication क्या है? It's basically the action of applying a substance such as oil or grease to an engine so as to allow its smooth movement. Similarly, हमारी बॉडी में, हमारे joints में जो water है, it acts as an lubricant which improves the flexibility and joints mobility. Next point is it improves skin quality. Drinking enough water helps the body to flush out toxins while giving you a healthier skin, as water increases the blood flow to the skin, so it gives even a better tone. The next point is it boosts physical performance. Staying hydrated is a key to athletic performance. हमारी performance decline होने लगती है when the body has lost as little as 2 to 3% of its fluid. Not only will dehydration impact your physical performance, but it can also cause a decline in your mental capacity as well. So sufficient water helps to boost the physical performance, whereas loss of water reduces the performance. The next component is roughage. Roughage is basically, it's a fiber. It's an indigestible portion of the food which is important for keeping our digestive tract work smoothly. And since we do not digest it, so the fiber in food, किसी भी food में, passes into the intestine where it pushes waste out of the body. क्या examples हैं roughage के? Like whole grains like oats and vegetables, carrots and cucumber. These are all the examples of roughage. Eating enough of these fiber, this helps prevent constipation. And the last component is artificial sweeteners and preservatives. Artificial sweeteners, these are the chemicals which are added to some foods and beverages to make them taste sweet, because they provide a taste that is similar to that of the table sugar, but that is up to several thousand times sweeter. We can say these are the low or no calorie and provide a sweet taste. It helps to store food for a long time. अगर हम ये use करें artificial sweetener अपने food stuffs वगैरह में, then it helps to store that food for a long time. And we should say that good quality preservatives should be used. I hope this information is quite relevant and useful to you.